Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about Christmas decoration ideas that make your homes warm, happy and full of love. Christmas is not about lights and gifts. It's about feelings, kindness and togetherness. So friend, Christmas decorations brings a smile to faces and peace to hearts. When we decorate our homes, we spread joy not only inside the house but also outside to neighbors and guests. Our decoration home shows care, creativity, and positive thinking. Start your decorations with Christmas lights. Soft warm lights look very beautiful and calming. They remind us that even small lights can remove darkness from our lives. Always choose simple lights instead of too many bright ones, and too much decoration can feel heavy. Simple and neat decorations look classy and peaceful, and it teaches us balance in life. A Christmas tree is the heart of decoration. A green tree with shiny ornaments looks lovely and fresh. It reminds us to stay strong and hopeful even in cold and hard times. Decorate the tree with love, not competition. Do not try to copy others. Your tree should show your own style and happiness. This teaches us to be ourselves. Use red, green, and gold colors for our traditional look. These colors bring warmth and joy. They also remind us of love, nature, and blessings. Handmade decorations are very special. When you make something with your own hands, it has true value. This teaches us that effort is more important than money. You can use paper stars, ribbons, and small bells. These simple items look beautiful and meaningful. They remind us that beauty comes from simplicity. Decorating windows with lights or snow stickers make the home look welcoming. It shows that your happiness is open for others to see and share. Candles are a symbol of peace and hope. Use safe candles or LED candles to decorate tables. They teach us to stay calm and gentle. Always think about safety while decorating. Do not overload plugs or place lights near water. This is a good lesson that beauty should never risk safety. Christmas formed wreaths on doors look very elegant. They welcome guests with warmth and respect. They teach us to welcome people with open hearts. Use natural items like pine cones and leaves. Nature based decoration feels fresh and real. It reminds us to respect and protect nature. Table decoration is also important. A clean table with small decorations looks lovely. It teaches us clean lines and care. Use soft music and decorations together. Decoration is not only what we see, but also what we feel. This teaches us to create a full, happy environment. Do not waste too much money on decoration. Celebrate within your budget. This teaches us gratitude and smart living. Include children in decorating. Let them help and share ideas. This builds family bonding and teaches us teamwork. Wall decorations like cards and Christmas messages spirit positive thoughts. Good words can change moods and hearts. Use recycled items for decoration. This is good for the environment and teaches us responsibility. Outdoor decoration should be simple and clean. A few lights and a small figure look elegant. This teaches us that less is more. Santa decorations bring fun and happiness. They remind us of giving and kindness. Always keep your decoration theme clear. Magic colors and style look more beautiful. This teaches us planning and organization. Do not compare your decorations with others. Every home is beautiful in its own way. This teaches us self respect and confidence. Use soft fabrics like red cushions or blankets. They make the home cozy and warm just like love should be. Take time to clean before decorating. Clean space makes decoration shine more. This teaches discipline. Smell is also important. Use light fragrance or cinnamon scent. Good smell brings comfort and happiness. Keep decoration meaningful, not just fancy. Meaningful things stay at hearts longer. Remember, friends, that Christmas decoration is not a show. It is expression of joy. Be honest and simple. Share your decoration ideas with friends and neighbors. Sharing happiness increase joy. Always thank God for what you have. Gratitude is the best decoration of the heart. Take photos but do not forget to enjoy the moment. Real memories are made in hearts, not cameras. Keep decorations neat till the end of Christmas. This shows care and responsibility. When Christmas ends, pack decorations carefully. This teaches us respect for our belongings. Teach children the meaning of Christmas. Not only decorations, values are more important than items. Smile while decorating. Thank you so much and thanks for watching.